Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool which is act like a Chatgpt. Thereby you can give prompts and you can obtain the results using the prompts. It is a fantastic chatbot which will generate very academic contents and technical contents related with the prompts we are giving. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Camira AI. So Camira, a creative AI assistant. So transform your creative process with Camira, the ultimate AI powered assistant for creatives. So click here, so and you will be directed to this dashboard like this here. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this Camira, a creative assistant. I can help you to design ideas, content creation, solve problems, teach you to new things and write anything from emails to business plan. So here these are the things what it can be do. It will create content, solve problems, design various ideas and also write anything for email or business plans like that. So here what I am going to do is I am going to give you a common prompt. First I am going to have a definition. So explain about a basic thing. What I am going to is explain about renewable energy. So like that I am going to give. So in Camira you have to go for a sign up with your Gmail ID and then you can create your login here. After that login you can access this Camira AI. So here our content is generated. As I have asked, explain about general renewable energy. I didn't ask about it is like an expanded content or a big content with a paragraph like that. So I have asked just about renewable energy. It will generate the content. So here you can see the content generator is very good. The renewable energy refers to any energy sources that are naturally replenished and can be useful to depleting the resources. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy this and I am going to paste this and I am going to give summarize or I am going to give rewrite the above paragraph. So like that I am going to give a prompt in this Camira AI. Let us see how it will works out, whether it will respond to that particular. Yes, it's worked out. So this is our rewrite content. So somewhat it is rewritten. You can use another tool, that is any paraphrasing tools to rewrite also, but it will works out. It will rewrite the content, so no issues. So next time with respect to research, what I am going to do is I am going to ask an outline for a thesis. So I am going to give generate an outline for the thesis title grid connected solar PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So whether it will generate the thesis outline or not, we will check it out. So I have given an enter. So it will take several seconds to load and then it will generate the content. So let us wait for that outline of the thesis. So we have given the same prompt in many different Chatgpt like AI tools. So it will generate the content for the prompts. So here you will be having the content. So here introduction, brief overview of grid connected PV system, importance of electric vehicle charging station. So next design, that is grid connected solar PV system, explanation, benefits and integration. Next design and components of the system, solar panels and their placement, inverter and charge controller, battery storage system, operation and functionality, charge process of EV vehicles, monitoring, grid interaction and energy management. So these are the important things which has to watch out for. Grid integration and energy management, this is a fantastic subheading where you can write your thesis very better. Economic environmental considerations, case studies and examples, challenges and future prospects, conclusion. Yes, it is a very well good subtopic, that is outline of a thesis which is generated by this Camira AI. Also we will check out whether it will generate reference papers for a particular topic or not. Generate recent reference paper for the topic I'm going to give multi-port converters. I asked generate recent reference paper for the topic multi-port converter. So I am going to, not a special prompt, it is a general prompt what we will type in Google. So let us see how it will generate content. So here you can see it is a important thing. I don't have real-time access to recent reference papers. However, you can search for recent reference on topic of multiple academic databases such as IEEE Explorer, Google Scholar, or ResearchGate. So I am going to type the same thing. So here what I am going to do is recent. I have take that recent reference recent, and I am going to give enter. So you have to go for subscription option. So these are the important things you can do with this Camira and Creative AI assistant. So you can use it is like a chatbot, a Chatgpt like chatbot, and you can ask anything you want according to the input prompt you are giving. So it will generate content for that particular prompt. So it is a fantastic AI tool, so where you can generate academic and research oriented content using this Camira Creative AI assistant. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on supercharge your research papers, conference and journal paper writing, Chatgpt and AI toolbox. So this workshop will be a fantastic and easy for you to write conference and journal paper writing. So how AI toolbox can be useful for journal paper writing, and you can get a well-versed knowledge about what are the AI tools to write the particular section of our research paper. For example, if you are writing a literature survey, what are the different AI tools can be used for. So like that we are going to discuss in that workshop, and also we are going to explore important Chatgpt prompts which will be very useful for your research article preparation and paper writing, and what are the important tips to be considered while that is publishing your paper in journals. So these are the important aspects that we are going to conduct workshop. Hope this workshop will be very helpful for you. Don't forget to register our online workshop on supercharge your research papers on conference or journal paper writing with Chatgpt and AI toolbox. See you on our online workshop. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.